Hello, welcome back to another morning yoga class. For those of you new here, my name is Rachel. I'm a certified trauma-informed yoga teacher and Reiki master. Jared and I recently moved across the country and I'm still getting my new yoga space situated, so I hope you enjoy seeing some of our scenery in this video. Today's class is a quick 10-minute practice you can do in the morning or afternoon to regulate your nervous system. This comes with a whole bunch of benefits like reducing pain and fatigue and promoting mental clarity and concentration, and it's safe and gentle enough to do every day. This yoga class is done standing and you don't need any props. Come to stand on your mat with the feet a comfortable distance apart. For me, that's about hip distance, so my ankles are underneath my knees and my knees are underneath my hip bones. But for you, it might be different, and that's okay. Find what feels good. Once you feel stable, start to swing the arms back and forth. Forward and back. Keep breathing at a pace that feels comfortable for you. And just keep swinging the arms. Keep a soft bend in the knees so you're not locking the knees. Keep them soft. Keep the face and the jaw relaxed. This is option one, just keep swinging the arms like this. Or you can bend the knees when you come down on the downswing. So inhale, come straight up, exhale into chair pose. And just keep flowing at your own pace. As you move through this practice, you might start to feel an urge to yawn, or you might feel your mouth fill up with saliva and like you need to swallow. These are all signs that the nervous system is experiencing a shift, that you're coming back online. And this is normal, this is good, this is what we want. But if you start to feel dizzy or like you're feeling jello-y or weird, those are some signs that you need to take a break. Otherwise, you can keep going until you start to feel that nervous system shift. When you're ready, come back to mountain pose, standing with the feet a comfortable distance apart. Just be still for a moment and notice how you feel. Now step the feet about 3 feet apart and start to sway your weight from one foot to the other, back and forth, like your body is being rocked by the waves of the ocean. Maybe your arms start to sway as well. Maybe start to stir the air in front of you, just moving in whatever way feels natural for your body. I like to time this movement with my breath, so I inhale to one side and then exhale to the other side. But you can breathe at whatever pace, whatever rhythm feels comfortable for you. The nervous system is a multifaceted system with branches on both sides of the body. So whenever we move in this way, it creates what's called bilateral stimulation. So we're stimulating both sides of the body, both sides of the nervous system. And this helps us to feel calm, but also alert, awake, and energized. So this movement is perfect to do in the morning or maybe in the afternoon whenever you need a little pick-me-up. Slowly dial back your movement and come back to a still standing position with the feet a comfortable distance apart. Now bring the hands to your hips. Gentle bend in the knees and start to hinge forward at the waist. Slowly fold forward over your legs. Maybe step the feet a bit further apart to make extra space for your chest and belly. Keep a generous bend in the knees. And if the fingertips don't reach the floor, you can grasp opposite elbows and just let your upper body dangle. Inversions like this standing forward fold are really good at down-regulating the nervous system, so they help to calm the body down and combat stress. Let's take about 5 deep breaths here, in and out through the nose or the mouth. As you keep breathing, you can gently shake the head no. Just gently turning the head from side to side. And now nodding the head yes. Gently forward and back. Now bring the head back to neutral. To come out of this pose, bend deeply into the knees and come up halfway first. Pause for a moment. And as you're ready, slowly come all the way up to stand. Roll the shoulders back, deep breath in and out. Now bend deeply into the knees, hop the feet together. And again, hop the feet out. And in. One more time. And march it out. Let your upper body be loose and relaxed, so maybe your arms start to sway as you march it out here. Shift the weight from the right foot, then the left. Again, we're giving our bodies that bilateral stimulation, so we feel calm and alert. When you're ready, come to stand in mountain pose with the feet a comfortable distance apart. You can keep the eyes open, or you can close them. Now bring the hands to heart center so the palms of the hands press into your chest. Gentle self-touch like this is so regulating for the nervous system. Let's take some slow, easy breaths here. Just breathe at a pace that feels comfortable and natural for you. Let your awareness settle on your breath, settle into your body, and just notice how you feel. Notice if anything has shifted from the start of your practice. Notice if anything has stayed the same. Take one more deep breath in. Deep breath out. Dip the chin toward your chest. Open the eyes if they were closed. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Now head over to santoshaspirit.com for full-length yoga classes, training plans, courses, and more.